we finally got it on. As you've seen, it doesn't come on every time you put the battery in either. You have to mess with it. But here's what happens when you hold the buttons in. I assume this would be the power button. It's the biggest button. The only other buttons is that volume one.
Yeah, but they're all marked. It doesn't say
Yeah,
power or
anything.
nothing.
There's the volume button.
Wait,
Hold is off.
Turn it like this. I can see the wording. Okay.
And then there's mode.
Turn it. Okay. Sorry. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Volume up did nothing. Down did nothing. Mode up. Did nothing. Mode down. Does nothing. Hold on, I'm gonna show them this too. Battery back in, nothing. Battery in. But you can get it to come on and say that starting thing if you mess with it long enough. Which I'm not going to do because you already seen it.